Hey guys, are you in network marketing or affiliate marketing and you're trying to build your business online? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to go over the process of building your business and doing it in an effective way, being able to promote anything you want, and being able to make a very, very good profit from it, right? And exactly where to get traffic from so that way you can maximize the whole process as a system, so when you're actually building your business it works for you. So basically this page tells you exactly how I've been able to build and grow online after failing for so many years, right? I've been marketing for about 10 years now, and throughout that process what I've learned is it's very, very easy to go and buy traffic and run traffic to a funnel, but it's hard to understand the process of getting it to actually convert. And that's the problem that most people have, and most people do it the wrong way. So whenever you're going and you're getting traffic to a funnel, whether it's paid traffic or you're using free methods like I do, like Facebook and YouTube, you have to get people to your pages. And this is actually a hero page, and you can get to this page by clicking on the link below this video. It's going to show you exactly how I've been able to do it as soon as you opt in to this page. And what's very, very important about this whole process is this is how you build an email list. When you build an email list, then you're able to actually give people value, create high quality emails, and build a relationship with people who know, like, and trust you and know buy whatever you have, right? So the first goal would be to build your email list, right? Then after you build your email list, you can have those people that you can actually reach out to, right? You build a relationship with them. And your process should actually be reaching out to people on social media. My favorite platforms are Facebook and creating content on Facebook. Then the people who engage on your post and your content are the people that you actually want to reach out to, right? And then have conversations with those people on Facebook, right? And then you could create video content whenever you get results, and then you share that video with your email list. So, when I shoot a video and I share it with the email list, people actually see this video, right? So that's actually how I've been able to build it. And the exact process and the exact tools that I use, you can find it directly below this video by opting into this page, right? So you actually want to build your email list, and then you use free and paid methods. Now, if you're using paid traffic, I highly suggest to come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. Now, I say to come over to profitbuilderstraffic.com because there's a major sale going on right now on traffic. It's the biggest sale that I've ever had for the month of July for Independence Day, and it's almost halfway through the month. So you want to take advantage of this offer right now so you could get high quality traffic at very, very low amounts of money, right? So it will help you to be able to break free and get some traffic while you're doing the other methods as well, right? So if you're having leads come onto your list, you're able to follow up with those people, and while you're reaching out to people, while you're creating content, you still have traffic coming through your funnel, right? Which is very important, right? So come here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. There's going to be a link below this video where you can come to this traffic store, right? And when you order from me, you will get a variety of different traffic, right? So it's a mix of different traffic sources, and I get my traffic from Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic, and when you order higher volumes of traffic, like 500 plus in clicks, you'll actually get an automatic 15% over delivery guaranteed, right? So um, why you should order traffic from me is because I help you to set up your funnels and your offers and be able to manage them, right? So that's important. And then I want to help you get the highest converting pages possible. So when you run solo ads and you run traffic, you actually get more people onto your list, and you can sift and sort whenever you get them onto your list, right? So that's something you could do whenever you go and you order a traffic package from me. I help you understand how to track your leads and conversion rates because it's very important. and then I want you to know how to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. So your whole goal is to build your fan base, build your foundation. And step one, how this actually works is step one is you order your traffic package by clicking on the link below this video or going to profitbettertraffic.com, and you do a campaign review. You can book your strategy call where we do a campaign review. We go over the campaign. I show you how to get the best deliverability so your emails actually land in the inbox and not in the spam box, because a lot of people's emails will land in the spam boxes because they don't know what they're actually doing and they're not keeping an eye on their domain health, right? Nobody ever tells them how to do that. So when you order traffic from me, I'm going to tell you about your domain health. I'm going to tell you how to keep your emails in the inbox so people actually see them and out of the spam box. And I'm going to help you with a daily routine that actually gets your results. So step 3 is we do your campaign launch within 72 hours of you ordering the traffic package. But if you book a strategy call, which I would suggest because it's included, then you actually get your traffic ran after we do the strategy call. And here's some of the results that I've got for people. Here's 200 clicks of traffic, 3 sales, 90% opt-in rate. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here, so take a look for yourself before actually ordering, and take advantage of this offer right now, because it's not going to be up forever, and I don't know next time I'm doing a discounted package, because this does take work, this does take time to actually do. And yeah, so here's 90% tier 1 traffic, here's 100% tier 1 right here. If you get a higher package, you actually get more traffic because I give you more traffic free. So I would suggest getting a 500 click package, right? So that way it's discounted as well, right? So here's questions. If you have questions, chances are your questions are going to be down here. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer, right? And then you know, if you have questions, you can leave them down here. You can also leave them under this video. I will answer anybody who comments under this video, and just leave your questions under the video, right? So also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. You want to stay up to date on what's going on in the marketing space and what's actually working now. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can actually see that and you can actually get feedback in real time. All right, thank you for watching, and bye for now.